Let's take a closer look at this account. From 2023 to 2024, it has gained more than 78K followers. According to analysis from an authorized tool, this account has the potential to generate at least $900 per post. However, upon closer inspection of the content, you'll notice that all the videos and images are simple and faceless, and they are all created by using AI tools. Today, I am excited to share with you the best AI tools for affiliate marketing that can help boost your earnings in 2024. First on our list is Maki AI. If you struggle with designing professional product photos, Maki AI is a quick and affordable choice. It uses AI to generate visually appealing product photos for websites. Check out some of the impressive results it has created. Make sure to include Maki AI in your AI tools package. Next up is Wondershare Virbo. It revolutionizes affiliate marketing by allowing you to create AI videos without the need for a spokesperson, videographer, or expensive equipment. With AI avatars, you can easily make product review videos. The Video Translate feature enables global reach through video translation and lip syncing. Streamline your workflow with additional features like talking photo, script generator, text-to-speech, and AI photo generator. Say goodbye to costly video projects and try Wondershare Virbo to boost sales and save your budget. Now, let's talk about HubSpot. Text content is essential in affiliate marketing, and HubSpot is here to make content creation easier. While it's designed for managing and analyzing customer interactions, but it also offers AI tools to enhance content creation. With HubSpot, you can write SEO-optimized blog posts, generate social media captions, and craft engaging emails with AI. It's perfect for those who rely on blog and email content for profits. Next up is Suno AI. Suno AI is perfect for content creators, especially those on platforms like TikTok, where music plays a crucial role. The right background music can significantly impact your marketing video's revenue. If you're struggling to find the perfect music, head over to Suno AI. Simply enter your preferences, click Create, then you'll have a great music clip ready to go. Make sure to subscribe to Suno AI to own the songs you generate. Now, let's talk about Canva, a go-to tool for many content creators. But did you know it also has AI functions like the AI image generator and magic design for video? These features allow you to combine clips and images into short videos and create AI presentations. Don't miss out on Canva's AI tools. Lastly, we have ClickUp, a solution for data management in affiliate marketing. It brings all your resources, tasks, and AI tools together in one place, making it perfect for handling complex projects. With ClickUp, you can create marketing roadmaps and content plans with ease. These are the top 6 AI tools for affiliate marketing, covering content creation and project management. They can make your work more efficient and effective. Don't forget to try them out, especially Wondershare Virbo for expert spokesperson videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.